everyone, and welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I'm Anna Quintana with St. Cross Art, and today's painting that I'm working on is called Mind Bloom. And the story behind Mind Bloom is that I was contacted by a company called Cereset after they saw an article that had been written about me in a local magazine, and they wanted me to create a painting for their office. Now, Cereset is a wellness technology. They have a patented brain echo technology that helps clients that perhaps have insomnia or depression or anxiety or PTSD, things like that. And what this brain echo technology does is it helps the brain relax, reset, and return to its natural balance. So they asked me to create something that would be reflective of either the brain or the nervous system. And I thought, this would be perfect for fluid art because the nervous system, the ganglions and the neurons kind of look like blooms. So that's the route I went, and the video will show you how I created this painting. I hope you like it, and I'll see you in a little bit. Thank you. As I begin creating this painting for Cereset, I start off by pouring a pillow layer. And this is what the rest of the fluid acrylics will actually sit on. The color that I've chosen for the pillow is called Tricorn Black. And as you can see, I'm pouring a fairly large puddle of it to ensure that I have lots of coverage. This painting will resemble the nervous system with neurons and ganglions, and you'll see this in the next pour that I do. The next step in the process is I am pouring 3 individual puddles using Cereset's corporate colors, which are teal, orange, kind of a greenish yellow, blue, and I also add a little bit of violet using a mica powder to give it some shine. After this, I'm going to blow out these 3 puddles so that they start now resembling neurons and ganglions of the nervous system. With what I'm seeing, but it's anybody's guess. So I'm going to do a spin, let things open up for a little bit and see what we've got. I'm gonna tilt a little bit, just try to get some of this up there to the top. Things are moving nicely. I'm glad I didn't do a 4th one. Let's do a nice gentle spin. What we want to do is just keep spreading this stuff out. Okay, I'm going to do a big spin, keep spreading it out. So here we go. This one's going to hurt because there's going to be a lot of paint flying off. See what we've got here. Whoa, can you hear it? All right. I think I want to move some stuff in that direction there. Oh boy. And it's flying in. I'm not seeing as much tendrils as I'd like. I would like to have seen more, but let's keep playing with